Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory again. Today I'm going to be showing you what we've done with this wagon wheel. But before we get started, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. So, the customer supplied a wagon wheel to us as a sentimental piece, and they wanted to preserve it for many years to come. It wasn't financially viable to put all this money into this wagon wheel, but because it was something that was passed through the family, then that's the way they wanted to go. The customer gave it to us with some blank pieces of timber that were sort of the right shape, and then we've sort of carved them out and made them the same as the rest of it. We fiberglassed over it all, both sides. So we sort of had it flat on the bench, we glassed over it this side, and then we sort of trimmed that up, flipped it over, glassed over the other side. Then we sanded the whole thing. Then we filled the whole thing, and then we primed it, and we got it pretty close to paint here. So it's going to be sort of a decorative piece. It's obviously one of the original wagon wheels, but basically we fiberglassed over it so that it'll last for as long as, you know, they can just keep passing it through the family, and I don't think it's going to deteriorate too much now that it's all sealed up. And you can do that with anything really, anything timber that normally would rot if it was sitting in the garden. You can fiberglass over the top of it, paint it up, and then now as long as the water doesn't get in somehow, it's good as gold and good for many, many years. Like I estimate this to last at least 50 years now that it's going to be all painted and sealed up, as long as they keep the paint up to it. So no, it's come up quite well. Going to be looking forward to seeing the finished product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.